Good evening. Tonight we're going to do some quick and easy garlic toast. I don't know why so many people have such a hard time making something as simple as garlic toast, but here we go. Small baking dish, some butter, and some French bread. Any bread really. French bread I like. Cut to about 1 inch thick. Melt the butter. Set the oven to 350 degrees. Butter's melted. Some squeezy garlic, granulated's fine. Or if you'd like to chop some of your own, that's fine too. A little stir. Add your bread. One side, just dab it, flip it. Let it sit for a minute, and then bake it at 350 for 15 minutes. 15 minutes later, garlic toast. It's hot. It's got a nice little crust, but it's still kind of soft. Oh, it's buttery and delicious. What does garlic toast go good with? Well, everything. Oh, look at that. Still soft. It's still crispy. Perfect.